Well, hi, good day. As we kind of get slowly but surely closer and closer to the August 12th report, we've had a little bit of the fundamental news kind of dry up on the ground here. And so I talk a lot about when fundamentals kind of are thin and, not very often, we look to the technicals. So let's be a little bit more technical. We had D's corn kind of tick lower here as I sit to 420 and a quarter. They're trying to fill a gap there, a technical gap to 420. Missed it by a quarter cent. I would say normally, that's pretty good, grenades and horseshoes. But I still feel like this market's trading heavy, and the technicals are kind of pulling it that way. So keep in mind that we almost got that gap filled to 420. And the next level would look like, say, around 418. Now, if you're a complete doomsday scenario guy, I would say from 418, remember, it was a while back we struggled to get up through 405 until we got some decent fundamental news that shot us higher, and we finally did pierce that level. That could be the level that we back up to going into the report on August the 12th, so keep that in mind. Right now, I would just say that fundamentally we got some news last night with the crop conditions. Nothing shocking. Or at least nothing shocking enough for the bulls. We wanted to trade a little higher, but boy, when everybody kind of woke up and sobered up, the market kind of tailed off here, and the technicals took over, and that's why we went down there to try to get that 420 print. So again, after getting that 420 print, I would say that 418 would be your next, if you're a technical guy, your next level to look for. We didn't really get anything bullish or shocking out of those numbers last night for crop conditions. And then finally, 405 was a number that we had looked at on the way up on the elevator, if you remember. That was resistance a couple of times. If you're a real big bear, that might be something that these technical bears start thinking about. So keep that in the back of your mind.